Using E3, we will process an Android smartphone to look at social media data. Processing an Android device can be done logically or physically. In this tutorial, we will process the device logically. Select to start an acquisition and select the Android device. Select the ADB backup file system, install applications only, and click Continue. We're going to use the downgrade application. This will allow us to access the data from different apps like social media. E3 will prompt you throughout the process to accept different items in the acquisition. Once those are done, the app downgrade will start. You will also be prompted to back up your device. E3 will go through the process and then restore the app after the downgrade. E3 has now added our acquisition to our case. We can start expanding our nodes open. We expand the installed application data, then the application data, and we can see our social media apps.